Good morning, everybody. Today it is 7:19. Charlotte, I think, woke up at like 6:45. I just kind of have her lay in bed with me for a little bit while I just kind of wake up. But my back is killing me. I ended up wearing something, and I saw somebody do this in a YouTube video, wearing a bonnet for their hair, you guys. But I have like this head wrap thing that I got at the Dollar Tree that I put on, and one thing is my hair right here gets super frizzy because I'm always rolling around. Whoop! Is you okay? Okay. Yeah. And I wore this like headband last night, and it actually kept my hair down. I did take it off like somehow in the middle of the night because it came off. But I'm so sick and tired of these little hairs sticking out, and I heard it's just because of you like rolling around. I used to always wear my hair in a ponytail, and I've been stopping that. I just put my hair in a ponytail when I wake up in the morning. But I don't know, I'm just so sick and tired of that. So I'm like, I'm gonna start sleeping with this like headband on. Otherwise I might get some kind of bonnet because I'm just so sick and tired of all these loose hairs in my head. So I'm trying to get that all, you know, all cleaned up and everything. But you know what? Today is the 4th. Today is gonna be a positive day for me. I'm gonna get a lot of stuff done today, you guys. Like Ben and or Graham's parents are gonna come over and take the kids for a walk. So myself, I'm gonna try to pick up a lot right now in the living room. I got a lot of trash. I just gotta throw some stuff away. I gotta empty the dishwasher. I'm gonna put the dishes in the dishwasher. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, is just constantly just pick up. I'm gonna turn a movie on. I always like listening to movies in the background. That's just what I do. I'm probably gonna do a load of laundry today. I gotta finish everybody's cups. I got them all designed. I just have to measure them and clean them up. And then I bought a ton of pictures from Shutterfly, you guys, the other day. Like I showed you guys this deal, and I'll try to show you more of those deals, but I haven't even opened it yet. It's like that crazy busy. I just been crazy busy. But one thing is, I sold Ben's Minion Mobile, I think was it Sunday or something like that. I got a really good deal on it when we did buy it, and he weighs a little bit more than he should. We're working on that. But I sold it, and all these people are like, oh, I'll take it, but I can't pick it up for like another week. And I'm like, no, I want to get rid of it like now. Person's like, I'll come over right after work. And I was asking $25 for it. He's like, okay, I'll come over at this time. And then he's like, oh, I'm on my way. Can you take $20 for it? I'm like, no. I said $25. I can sell it for $30 right now and have somebody else buy it. So then he comes and grabs it. Doesn't ask any questions, you know, how do you turn it on, how do you work it, blah blah blah. Just picked it up, puts it right in the back of his vehicle. Then he texts me a couple hours later. He's like, it's not turning on. I said, yeah, it needs to be charged overnight. So then 2 days later, I think it was Tuesday, he texted me. He's like, yeah, I still can't get it to work. And so I texted him back, you know, all the stuff that you're supposed to do, and I said, do not overcharge it. And Charlotte, don't touch this, honey. She's got my wreath stuff. And he's like, yeah, I still can't get it to work. And I'm like, I don't know what to tell you. She's trying to touch my wreath stuff. I'm like, I don't know what to tell you, like, because it worked when we used it last time. And no response. It's like, dude, I said I would give him his money back if he can't get it to work, but he hasn't. Charlotte, I'll get her some milk. But he hasn't responded. And like all day yesterday, I'm like, dude, if you want your money back, I'm not wasting my time. Because if you're sitting there gonna not give it back to me for a week, I'm not taking it back. You know, it's not my fault you can't get it to work all of a sudden. I'm not working on. Oh, I'm out of breath all of a sudden. I'm not working on like his time, but I don't know, the guy kind of seems like an idiot, you know, didn't even ask any questions and then just went and got it. But I don't know, I bet you today or tomorrow they're like, how do I get this to work? And I'm like, dude, I already told you, if you can't figure it out, you should have asked questions when you bought it. So I don't know, but I'm gonna give Miss Grumpy Pants some milk. I'm gonna start cleaning, and I'll get you guys back in a little bit. So it is currently 10:44. I finally just got dressed. Our pool's kind of gross because of the rainwater and all the grass and everything that's gone in it. We are going to empty the pool and refill it. So that is what I'm working on right now. Charlotte is currently taking a nap, so I got about maybe an hour and a half. Well, now I took a shower, so I got about an hour possibly before she wakes up. And then we're gonna do the pool while she is taking a nap, and then I'm gonna kind of work on the basement later today. But that is what I'm working on. This pool is disgusting. Ben keeps bringing more and more toys in it, and I'm like, Ben, stop it. It's just, it's gross. It's so polluted. It's gross. So I gotta figure out how to drain this, and that's what I'm working on now. So it is currently 4:24. Graham's parents just came and got the kids. They're going for a walk. I should be going down in the basement and cleaning, but I really need to cut this stuff that I was gonna cut, just because I need to get that done. So that is what I'm gonna do. That won't take that long, and then I'm gonna go in the basement. Graham should be home in about 30 minutes, so we got that to look forward to. But that is what I'm working on currently right now is my cups, because I gotta finish that. So I got a lot of them. So I'm gonna do this and then work on the basement for a little bit, and then just sit and relax, because I need to sit and relax. I just need it. So that's what I'm gonna do. They'll probably be gone for like an hour, I know for sure. So I'm gonna finish my cups and I'll catch you guys back in a bit. So it is currently 8:01. I was gonna go down to the basement and clean, but here's the thing. When Graham's this one. So here's the thing. Ben. No, I shut it off. I shut it off. So here's what I'm thinking. Like every time Graham's parents come, you know, I don't know when they're gonna be back. They went for a walk, so that means I knew they were gonna be gone for an hour. I didn't want to go to the basement and start getting in a bigger mess and then just have to stop, you know, when the kids got home. It's just something like, when I know like they're gonna be gone for a specific time, I know what to do, but like when I have no idea, I feel like I can't get stuff done. But like when Graham's here, I can just keep on going and going and going and going. I don't know what it is, but that's just how it is. So I didn't do anything to the basement, but I did finish 5 cups, you guys. Like, it does take me a couple hours to do it. Some are easy and some are, you know, a little bit hard. But I did message everybody who I did make cups. I still have to make two more cups for somebody, but I have another couple days to finish that. But I am so excited for what I did. I have no more confetti cups. I have no more peachish pink cups until I find some more. I just have to go out, and it's really hard for me to go out. But I'll show you guys what I made. So if you guys are watching, you can see it. The pictures I sent, whoever got one of these. So this one, I kind of had it match the vinyl, and I thought it turned out really cool. Really loved how this turned out. Like this was, I was like, oh, I don't know. And then when I made it, it turned out really good. And there's another one. I love the pineapple, the way it turned out, like so awesome. And then I made one, just a really simple one, which is super easy. And then another simple one. And then I made a confetti cup. This is my last confetti cups, but it's awesome. And then those are my last peaches. So that's all I got, unless I can find more. But I feel like I feel successful because I got 5 of them done today, you guys. I finished. Hold on, honey. I feel like I did get stuff. So you guys, Ben wants to talk, and it's just like, let me finish what I'm saying first. But I did feel successful today. I finished my friend's sign, her welcome sign that she wanted. I really finished that. I sprayed it, and it's all sealed up, ready to go. So I messaged her on that. I got my 5 cups. I even figured out the 5th cup, or the 6th and 7th cup that I have to make. I figured the writing and stuff, I just gotta cut them out and do that, but I'm trying to figure out a placement for all that stuff. My package hopefully will be here on Saturday for me to do my other thing that I stopped finishing, but it says it's not supposed to be here till Monday, but I'm hoping it comes on Saturday. Really hoping it comes on Saturday. I'm gonna probably finish working on the wreath tonight, but I'm just trying to get all my crafts done, and then this weekend I'm really gonna, you know, work on the basement. I just have more motivation when Graham's here. I have no idea. I don't even want his help, but I have more motivation. Probably because I know I can just keep going with what I'm doing.
Mom.
But what?
This is a camera somewhere?
No, honey. Ben and Graham hung out in the pool for a little bit today, which is kind of cool. But yeah, so it's 8:05. I'm gonna start getting the kids ready for bed. Had somewhat of a successful day, and I will see you guys all bright and early tomorrow for another positive day.